The Ivey Executive Program is a significant commitment in time, both for the individual and the organization. And that's sort of the point. When you're moving into senior roles, it's a big deal, and it really requires some investment in new capabilities, new approaches, and a new outlook on your work and career.
The Ivey Executive Program is Ivey's experience for senior leaders. We take the theme of thriving in a rapidly changing environment. You often have to change how you think and how you lead. Suddenly you're leading things that you're not an expert in anymore, and at the same time you have to be thinking about the overall environment, disruption, changes happening along the way. How do you answer those changes today, and how do you build an organization that's sustainable for tomorrow?
One of the exciting things about IEP is how diverse the participant pool is. They come from a variety of different backgrounds. So we had nonprofits, government, of course, large established companies, executives from those groups. We had entrepreneurs. When we designed the Ivey Executive Program, we asked ourselves, what are the big challenges that organizations are facing in today's business world? Some of the answers that came back were things like disruption, growth, sustainability. How do we build and manage an effective talent pool? Diversity challenges.
We've all come from very vast and different backgrounds, and I think to me that's been a great learning experience.
I learned how to not just talk about innovation, but what it means and how to support the creation of innovation in a culture.
The material was relatable to every aspect of my business.
Both participants and their organizations find these projects extremely useful. We also hear back from participants afterwards that the learning from the projects goes way beyond the project itself to transforming their way of leading in the organization.